This is the Safe and Sexy Tour 2008. We've encountered the awful and very feared Jamie Beast, who described by the locals is almost too insane to even encounter. And we've actually, shh, everybody's quiet. We've actually going to sneak up own this. Listen, we are going to sneak up own the Beast. Pete, say hello.
Hello.
Joy Rich, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, shh, everybody quiet. Ted, hello. Okay, shh, everybody quiet. Everybody quiet. Here it is. Nobody in the history of St. George Island has been this close to the dreaded Snore Beast. I'm
frightened. I think I've wet myself.
Pete has wet himself. Rich has darted off into the room. He doesn't even know what's going on. We have gotten this close, and this is the wedding among all weddings. And I'm going to have to sign off. And one more time. We're gonna get up close. We're gonna get up real close. Shh. Quiet. Do you see this hideousness? It's terrible. I can't even believe how close I am. This will never again happen. I'm telling you, go. Shh.